अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 12. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Very important question. Let's start. So first of all, we will assume that root 2 is rational. So we can write it as root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. And one more thing, a and b are the co-prime numbers. So co-prime means they don't have any common factor except 1. Now square on both the sides will give you 2 is equal to a square upon b square. And if you transfer b square to the left hand side, you will get 2b square is equal to a square. So we can say that a square is divisible by 2 because a square factors are 2 and b squares. Correct. So a square is divisible by 2. Now we will apply the property that we can say that if a square is divisible by 2, then its square root a is also divisible by 2. Okay, this is important step. Next, let's assume that a is equal to 2c. Again, we will square on both the sides. That will give you a square is equal to 4c square. Okay, now look at these two highlighted statements. 2b square is equal to a square and a square is equal to 4c square. So we can equate this, right? So we can write 2b square is equal to 4c square. Okay, so if you divide by 2, you will get b square is equal to 2c square, right? Now the factors of b square are 2 and c square, which means b square is divisible by 2. Again, same property we can apply. So b is also divisible by 2. This is the second important statement. Right, previous statement was a is also divisible by 2. Now we got b is also divisible by 2, which means that 2 is a common factor of a and b. Right, a and b are both divisible by 2. But this is against our assumption, right? This contradicts our assumption. We assume that a and b are co-primes, but now we can see that they are not co-primes. Okay, so why is it happening? Because of our wrong assumption, incorrect assumption. Okay, so we can say our assumption is incorrect. What was the assumption? That root 2 is a rational number. So if root 2 is not a rational number, it will be irrational number. That's it. Very simple.